you're hitting the beach this summer, you're going to need a cute beach bag to lug around all your essentials. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous Dollar Tree DIY beach bag. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. So first we're going to start off with this beach bag that you can find at any of your local Dollar Tree. It comes in an assortment of colors, but I chose the red one. I love the faux woven texture on it. It's perfect for this beach bag DIY. So you're going to need 3 sheets of glittered foam. I picked these up from Hobby Lobby, my favorite store. And now we're just going to simply create a cute watermelon design. The watermelon is a fashion trend that we all can dig into. Forget the hairy swimsuit, the male romper, and even the pizza bikini. The hottest and most adorable trend this summer is the watermelon. So I decided, why not make a cool watermelon design for my beach tote. And this beach tote is not only cute enough to carry your beach items, but it's also nice to pair with regular outfits when you're on the go. And for $1, you can completely customize this bag and do any design that you wish. If you like this so far, please give this video a thumbs up. So now that we've completed our sparkly watermelon design, we're going to be creating a pocket for the inside of the beach bag. This pocket is going to be perfect for holding items like your keys, your phone, and other small valuable items. So to give this bag a designer look, I am tying a green bandana on, and then I'm also going to embellish the bag using some puff paint, and I wrote the words "one in a melon," which is such a cute and summery phrase that goes perfect with our watermelon beach bag. If you even notice me.